Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the radios and making devices discoverable. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open Airdrop settings and pick contacts only or everyone depending on who you trust. Once done, unlock both devices and keep them awake so discovery succeeds. You're ready to send. Make sure the recipient appears in the Airdrop sheet. If not, toggle Bluetooth quickly and rescan. This setup prevents common discoverability failures and gets you to the actual transfer step. Now pick the content you want to share. In photos or files, select one or multiple items, tap the Share button and choose Airdrop. You'll see nearby recipients listed by name or avatar. Tap the correct contact and you'll see a preview. Hit Send. On your device, monitor the progress indicator. On the recipient, they'll get an accept/decline prompt unless you used everyone. If you're quick, you can cancel mid-transfer. Otherwise, wait for confirmation on both devices. Finish by having the recipient tap Accept so the file saves to Photos, Files, or Downloads. Once completed, confirm the item opened correctly. If it fails, first toggle Airdrop off and on, then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and retry the exact send. That resolves most transient issues. Make sure the recipient has enough storage and isn't on Do Not Disturb. As a single troubleshooting tip, if discovery never shows the other device, restart both devices and use everyone briefly to isolate contact permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.